Welcome to Venu Maths Academy. In this video, discuss about 3D lines, level 1 pattern type questions. The model of questions is coplanar lines. 11th problem, the lines x minus 1 by a equal to y minus 2 by 3 equal to z minus 3 by 4. Second line, x minus 2 by 3 equal to y minus 3 by 4 equal to z minus 4 by 5 are coplanar. To find a, here the four options given. Here one small concept, the lines x minus x1 by a1 is equal to y minus y1 by b1 is equal to z minus z1 by c1. This is equation 1. Second line equation, x minus x2 by a2 is equal to y minus y2 by b2 is equal to z minus z2 by c2. This is equation 2. These two lines are coplanar. Then the formula, determinant of x1 minus x2, y1 minus y2, z1 minus z2, a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2 value 0. These two lines are coplanar. Here, first line equation, solution, first line equation, x minus 1 by a is equal to y minus 2 by 3 equal to z minus 3 by 4. This is equation 1. In first equation, x1 is equal to 1, y1 is equal to 2, z1 equal to 3. Here a1 is equal to a, b1 is equal to 3, c1 is equal to 4. Here z1 equal to 3 in first equation. The second equation, x minus 2 by 3, y minus 3 by 4, z minus 4 by 5. This is the equation 2. Here x2 value is 2, y2 value is 3, z2 value is 4, a2 3, b2 4, c2 5. These are the values. If in this question, these are coplanar. 1 and 2 are coplanar. Then apply the formula. Determinant of x1 minus x2, y1 minus y2, z1 minus z2, a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2 equal to 0. Here directly apply here x1 minus x2, 1 minus 2 minus 1, 1 minus 2. Next 2 minus 3 minus 1. Next 3 minus 4 minus 1. a1 a, b1 3, c1 4. Next a2 3, b2 4, c2 5. The determinant value equal to 0. Apply the determinant expansion. Minus 1 into first row, first column, 5 3s 15, 4 4s 16, minus 16. Here minus 1 is there, minus minus plus 1 into 5a, 3 into 4, 12, minus 12, minus 1 into first row, first column, a into 4, 4a, 3 into 3, 9, minus 9 equal to 0. 15 minus 16, minus 1, minus minus plus 1. 5a minus 12. Here multiply with minus 1, minus 4a, minus minus plus 9 equal to 0. 5a minus 4a, a, 9 plus 1, 10, minus 12 plus 10, minus 2. A minus 2 equal to 0, a equal to 2. Here a equal to 2, the a value equal to 2, second option is correct. Twelfth problem, the line x plus 3 by 3 equal to y minus 2 by minus 2 equal to z plus 1 by 1 and the plane 4x plus 5y plus 3z minus 5 equal to 0 intersect at a point. These are the four options given. Here to find the point of intersection of the line and plane. Okay, solution. Given line equation x plus 3 by 3 y minus 2 by minus 2 z plus 1 by 1. This line equation, let it be take t. Let x plus 3 by 3 y minus 2 by minus 2 z plus 1 by 1 equal to t. Let p equal to, here x plus 3 by 3 equal to t. x plus 3 by 3 equal to t. The 3 is cross multiply, 3 into t, 3t plus 3 becomes minus 3. The first x coordinate 3t minus 3. X plus 3 by 3 equal to t. 3 cross multiply, 3t plus 3 becomes minus 3. Next, y minus 2 by minus 2 equal to t. Minus 2 into t minus 2t minus 2t minus 2 becomes plus 2 minus 2t plus 2. Here z plus 1 by 1 equal to t cross multiply t minus 1. This point P lies on the plane equation, lies on 4x plus 5y plus 3z minus 5 equal to 0. 4 into x 3t minus 3 plus 5 into minus 2t plus 2 plus 5 into minus 2t plus 2 plus 3 into, in z apply t minus 1 minus 5 equal to 0. 4 into 3t 12t, 4 3s 4 into 3 12 minus 12, 5 into minus 2t minus 10t, 5 into 2 10 plus 3 into t 3t, 3 into minus 1 minus 3 minus 5 equal to 0. Here 12t plus 3t 15t, 15t minus 10t 5t. Next, minus 12 minus 3 minus 15 minus 15 minus 5 minus 20 plus 10 minus 10. 5t is equal to 10, 5 ones 5 2, t equal to 2. Then t equal to 2, apply in point P. Point P equal to 3t minus 3, 3t minus 3 minus 2t plus 2 minus 2t plus 2 t minus 1. Here to take t value equal to 2. 3 into 2 6 minus 3 3. 2 into 2 4 minus 4 plus 2 minus 2. 2 minus 1 1. 3 minus 2 comma 1. This is the point of intersection of line and plane. Here verification, to apply 3 plus 3 6 by 3 2 minus 2 minus 2 minus 2 minus 4 by minus 2 cancelled 2 1 plus 1 2 by 1 2 2 is equal to 2 is equal to 2 is equal to. This point is satisfied and apply in plane equation 4 3 12 4 3 12 5 into 2 minus 10 3 into 1 plus 3 minus 5. 12 plus 3 15 minus 10 minus 5 15 plus 15 minus 15 0. 3 comma minus 2 comma 1 satisfy the line and plane. This is the point of intersection of the line and plane. 3 comma minus 2 comma 1. Question number 13. if the lines x minus 2 by 1 equal to y minus 3 by 1 equal to z minus 4 by minus k and x minus 1 by k equal to y minus 4 by 2 equal to z minus 5 by 1 are coplanar, then k can have, here the four options given. Here first line equation, x minus 2 by 1 equal to y minus 3 by 1 equal to z minus 4 by minus k. This is equation 1. Here x1 equal to 2, y1 equal to 3, z1 equal to 4. a1 1, b1 1, c1 minus k. In second line equation, x minus 1 by k equal to y minus 4 by 2 equal to z minus 5 by 1. Here second line equation, x2 is equal to 1, y2 is equal to 4, z2 is equal to 5. a2 equal to k, b2 equal to 2, b2 equal to 2, c2 equal to 1. Here the two lines are coplanar. Given lines are coplanar. If the lines are coplanar, then apply determinant formula x1 minus x2, 2 minus 1, 1, y1 minus y2, 3 minus 4, minus 1, z1 minus z2, 4 minus 5, minus 1, a1 b1 c1, 1 1 minus k, 1 1 minus k, a2 b2 c2, k2 1, k2 1, the determinant value equal to 0. Apply the det expansion, 1 into 1, 1 minus 2k, here plus 2k, minus 1 plus 1, first row and first column, first row and second column, 1 into 1, 1, k into minus k square, here plus k square, minus 1, first row and third column, 2 into 1, 2, minus k equal to 0. 1 plus 2k, 1 plus k square, minus 2, minus 2, minus minus, minus 2, minus minus plus k equal to 0. Here 1 plus 1, 2, minus 2 get cancelled, 2k plus k, 3k, k square plus 3k equal to 0. Here k is common, k into k plus 3 equal to 0. Then k equal to 0, k plus 3 0, k equal to minus 3. Here k having two values 0 comma minus 3. Here in the option exactly two values. Exactly two values is the correct one. Exactly two values. Intersection of lines. Question number 14. A line with direction cosines proportional to 2 comma 1 comma 2 meets each of the lines x equal to y plus a equal to z and x plus a equal to 2y equal to 2z. Then the coordinates of each of the points of intersection are given by. Here a line with the direction cosines proportional to means direction ratios 2 comma 1 comma 2 is given, meets this direction ratios meets each of the line, first line and second line. Here DR's direction ratios is given 2 comma 1 comma 2, 2 comma 1 comma 2. The line equation x equal to y plus a equal to z. Here x by 1 equal to y plus a by 1 equal to z by 1 equal to t. Let p equal to x by 1 equal to t, y plus a by 1 equal to t plus a becomes minus a, t minus a, z minus 1 by t equal to z equal to t. The point p, t comma t minus a comma t. Next, second line equation, x plus a equal to 2y equal to 2z. Here let x plus a by 1, 2y, this is y by 1 by 2, 2z, z by 1 by 2, to take another real number s. X plus 1 by a is equal to x plus a by 1, x plus a by 1 equal to s, x is equal to s minus a. Let it, this point is q. Let q is equal to s minus a, y by 1 by 2 is equal to s into 1 by 2, s by 2. Next, z by 1 by 2 is equal to s, z equal to s by 2, s by 2, q equal to s minus a, s by 2, s by 2. Here to find direction ratios of PQ, direction ratios of PQ, s minus a minus t, s minus a minus t, comma, s by 2, s by 2, minus t plus a, minus t plus a, comma, s by 2 minus t, s by 2 minus t. Here this direction ratio s minus a minus t equal to 2, s minus a minus t equal to 2. This is equation 1. S by 2 minus t plus a equal to 1, s by 2 minus t plus a equal to 1. Here 2 is the LCM, s minus 2t plus 2a, s minus 2t plus 2a by 2, 2 cross multiply with 1. This is equation 2. Next, s by 2 minus t, s by 2 minus t equal to 2, s by 2 minus t equal to 2. This is equation 3. Here to subtract 1 minus 2, 1 minus 2, 1 minus 2, s minus s, ss get cancelled, minus a, minus t, here first minus t, here plus 2t, subtract, minus t plus 2t, t, minus a, minus 2a, minus a minus 2a, minus 3a equal to 0, t is equal to 3a. Here once again to observe that 1 minus 2, here s minus s 0, minus t plus 2t, 2t minus t, minus a, here minus 2a, minus 2a minus a, minus 3a, t is equal to 3a. Next 1 minus 3, take 1 minus 3, s minus s by 2, s by 2, minus t plus t, minus t plus t, 0, minus t plus t 0, here minus a, 2 minus 2, 0. S by 2 is equal to a, s equal to 2a. Here t is equal to 3a, t is equal to 3a at point P. If t is equal to 3a, then p equal to t comma t minus a comma t, t comma t minus a comma t, t equal to 3a, 3a minus a, 2a 3a 3a comma 2a comma 3a, second option. First option is also there, 3a comma 2a comma 3a. Next, if s equal to 2a, then q point, q is equal to s minus a, s minus a, s by 2, s by 2. Here to apply 2a minus a, 2a by 2, 2a by 2, a comma a comma a. The points 3a comma 2a comma 3a, a comma a comma a, second option is correct. Here by option verification also, 3a minus a 2a, 2a minus a 3a minus a 2a, 2a a. If a get cancelled, the direction ratios are 2 comma 1 comma 2 by option verification also. This is the second one is the correct. Question number 15. If the line x minus 1 by 2 equal to y plus 1 by 3 equal to z minus 1 by 4 and x minus 3 by 1 equal to y minus k by 2 equal to z by 1 intersect, then k equal to. These are the four options. Here first line equation, x minus 1 by 2 equal to y plus 1 by 3 equal to z minus 1 by 4. This is equation 1. Here x1 equal to 1, y1 equal to minus 1, z1 equal to 1, a1 2, b1 3, c1 4. This is equation 1. Next, equation 2. Equation 2, x minus 3 by 1 is equal to y minus k by 2 is equal to z by 1. Z by 1. This is equation 2. Here x2 value 3, y2 equal to k, z2 equal to 0, a2 1, b2 2, c2 1. Here 1 and 2 intersect. 1 and 2 intersect. Here to apply the coplanar condition, 1 and 2 intersect. Apply the coplanar condition. Determinant of x1 minus x2, 1 minus 3 minus 2, y1 minus y2 minus 1 minus k, z1 minus z2, 1 minus 0 1, a1 2, b1 3, c1 4. Next, a2 1, b2 2, c2 1. Determinant value equal to 0. The delta expansion minus 2, first row first column, 3 into 1, 3, 2 into 4 minus 8. Here minus of minus plus 1 plus k into 1 plus k into first row and second column, 2 into 1 2, 1 into 4 4, 2 into 1 2, 1 into 4 4, minus 1 into first row third column, 2 into 2 4, 3 into 1 3, 4 minus 3, 3 minus 8 minus 5, minus 5 minus 2 10. Here 2 minus 4 minus 2, multiply with minus 2 into 1 minus 2, minus 2 into k minus 2k. 4 minus 3 1 minus 1. Here minus 2 minus 1 minus 3, 10 minus 3 7. Here minus 2, 3 minus 8 minus 5, minus plus 5 into 2 10, 2 minus 4 2 minus 4 minus 2 into 1 minus 2k, 4 minus 3 1 minus 1. Here once again check the minus 2, first 3 into 3 once, 4 to 8, minus of minus plus 1 plus k, 2 minus 4 minus 2 minus 2 minus 2k. Here k value 9 by 2. K is the right answer is 9 by 2. Last one 2 to 4, 4 minus 3. Here plus 1 is there. This is the one mistake. Plus 1. Plus 1 is there. 4 minus 3, 1. Plus 1. Here 10 plus 1. 11. 11 minus 2, 9. 9 minus 2k equal to 0. 2k equal to 9. K is equal to 9 by 2. K is equal to 9 by 2 is the right answer. Question number 16. Let L be the line of intersection of the planes 2x plus 3y plus z equal to 1 and x plus 3y plus 2z equal to 2 if L makes an angle alpha with the positive x-axis, then cos alpha equal to. Here the four options given. Here the two planes 2x plus 3y plus z equal to 1. This is equation 1. X plus 3y plus 2z equal to 2. This is equation 2. Here L be the point of intersection of planes. Point of intersection of 1 and 2. Point of intersection of 1 and 2. Solving these two equations. Here x coefficient 2. Y coefficient 3, Z coefficient 1 and X coefficient 2. In second equation, X coefficient 1, Y coefficient 3, Z coefficient 2 and last X coefficient 1. The relation is C, here the relation is A, here the relation is B. C by 3 into 2, 6, 6 minus 3, A by 3 into 2, 6, 6 minus 3, B by 1 into 1, 1 minus 4. C by 3 is equal to A by 3 is equal to B by minus 3. Here the DRs A comma B comma C. 3 comma minus 3 comma 3. 3 comma minus 3 comma 3. Here divided by 3. 1 comma minus 1 comma 1. Here root of A square plus B square plus C square. 1 plus 1 plus 1 root 3. Can be converted into direction cosines. 1 by root 3 minus 1 by root 3 1 by root 3. Here in this question the line L makes an angle alpha with the positive x-axis. Line L makes an angle alpha with positive x-axis. Positive x-axis. Here this is the cos alpha. Cos alpha equal to 1 by root 3. Cos beta equal to minus 1 by root 3. Cos gamma equal to 1 by root 3. Here cos alpha equal to 1 by root 3. First option is correct. In this video, the level 1 pattern type questions completed. Next video, 3D lines, level 2 pattern type. If you like this video, please share and subscribe. If you have any doubts, drop them in the comment section.